In order to file your taxes professionally through our software, you must purchase a professional license. If you're filing taxes for your client or your client's corporation, you can head over to our website taxtronpro.ca and take a look at our wide selection of licensing options. First and foremost, you should already have our professional software downloaded and installed onto your system to make sure that there are no compatibility issues. Our software only supports Windows 10, 11, and Mac OS 10.9 or higher, so keep this in mind before you download. If you're using a Mac, your system must also be running with an Intel processor. Once the software is downloaded, depending on which operating system you're using, you can take a look at either our Mac or Windows licensing options. TaxTron provides 3 options that you can purchase. There's the T1 Professional Unlimited license, the T2 Corporate Single license, as well as the T2 Corporate Full license. Once you've decided which licensing option you want to purchase, simply click on the license and then add to cart. Once you have added the product to your cart, you then just have to enter your email as well as your billing information, and an email will then be sent to you regarding your license. Once you have received your license, you simply need to open up your software and activate it. Your software should now fully be activated and you are now ready to start professionally filing taxes.